In this video, I would be revealing to you the 3 tools that anyone can use to earn $3,500 a day from YouTube automation.
You serious?
Yes, I am. This method is 100% free and is beginner-friendly. Even your cat can make money with this method. And somewhere in this video, I have hidden 2 secret tips that can double your income from this method. So make sure you watch till the very end of the video. The first step of making your first YouTube video is finding the video idea. It would be the key factor in deciding if your video would get 1 million views or 0 views. vidIQ is the first tool that you can use to increase your YouTube views with minimal effort. What I like about vidIQ is that they would give you 3 free video ideas every day with predictions if that video idea would get a few views or tons of views. After signing up to vidIQ, you would see this. Now head over to the keywords section. Now type in the video idea that you previously had in mind. For me, since my YouTube channel is in the make money online niche, I would be inputting keywords that are related to making money, such as affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or cryptocurrency. After clicking the enter button, you can check the overall score of your idea. If your YouTube channel has 0 subscribers, you should not choose video ideas with a score below 70. The second tool is AnyWord. This AI bot would be helping you to write the whole YouTube video script for 100% free for the first 1,000 words. Although there is a 1,000 word limit, you can always make multiple accounts to get unlimited words. To start generating your script, click on Blog Wizard, the new blog post. Although it says blog post, it can be used for YouTube scripts too. In this box, you would need to describe what type of post you want to create. Keep this short, no longer than 20 words. Now I'm going to click Next to go to the title section. These are the 4 ideas that you can pick from that the bot generated. The numbers at the side are there to tell you how likely users are to click on your video with that title. For this example, I am going to choose this one and click Next. The AI has just generated outlines for our YouTube video. If you don't like any of the sections in the outline, you can change it. After clicking Next again, the bot would generate intro paragraphs. After clicking Next again, the setup is complete and we can continue to the editor. Here we can see all the parts that the AI has generated for us. Now, all you have to do is just scroll down and click Generate for all the paragraphs. You can adjust the length of the items by clicking and selecting paragraph length. Now, to easily generate YouTube videos without effort, we would be using Pictory. Pictory has many useful functions, but for today's tutorial, we would be using the script to video function. We would be utilizing the free trial. When signing up, you just have to input your name, email, and password. After signing up, you would see this dashboard. Now, click the Proceed button in the Script to Video box. In this box, enter the video idea you got from vidIQ. In the other box, copy and paste the different sections from AnyWord.
1 eternity later.
Once that is done, click the Proceed button on the top right side. This is the template library where you can choose different styles of font and positioning of subtitles. In my opinion, subtitles thin is the best as it is professional and sleek. Now the bot is helping us create the whole video.
A few moments later.
As you can see, the Pictory bot has made us a 5-minute video for us. Before you upload this video on YouTube, you would still need to do a bit of shifting and changing, as some scenes might not make sense if the subtitles are too long.
Blah 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 blah.
To change the length of the subtitle of a scene, you just have to click on the part where you want to split it and click Split Scene. To change a video from a scene, all you have to do is click on that scene and go to Visuals, then click on the videos that are more fitting. The last step is to upload it on YouTube. Once you have 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers, you would start making money from YouTube. That is all for the video. Before you go, I think you would be interested in getting paid $5.30 again and again from CPA marketing. See you there.